bath time.
It's bath time. Get this off my head, Daddy. There we go. All right, ready to go? Oh, what a face. Oh. I know it. I know it. Let's get your face. Let's get your face. Here. And your eyes. And your nose. And your mouth. And your other ear. Make sure that's all nice and clean. And let's get underneath your chin here.
Okay.
Alright.
Just make sure your chest doesn't slip one way or the other.
Right. Alright, hang on. Pull up under your chin. Yeah. Alright. Let's get the soap. Hang on.
Such a face.
I know it. She gets so mad. She just gets so mad. Okay. It's not. Okay, let's get your little legs. And your belly button. And your other leg. There. Make sure that's all clean. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah.
New grumpy face.
Let's get your arms. And let's sit up for a second so we can get your back. Uh-huh. Hang on. Let's Daddy get your back. She's got her birthmark right where mine was.
Oh.
In the back of her neck.
Yeah, Mom thought that was a birthmark.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, for purpose of this video, that would be Grammy.
Let's rinse you off. Get you good and clean. Uh-huh.
See if she's ticklish yet. She ticklish yet?
You ticklish yet? Are you ticklish? Tickle. Oh, yup.
Yep, she's ticklish.
Yup, she's ticklish. You're ticklish already. Uh-huh.
What the fuck are you doing to me? Curmudgeon.
It's not the truth. Alright. Now, Daddy, while Mommy sits here and splashes with her for a bit, go get the sink ready to do her hair. Please?
Next segment, hair washing.
How? Yeah. Alright. Let's wrap you up nice and warm. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Alright. Got the shampoo ready for me? Pop it open. Okay, hang on. Hang on, Daddy. Gotta get it wet first. Oh.
Don't let it get into her nose. Whoops.
Whoops. Whoops. Hang on.
Quick, before it gets in your eyes.
Got it.
I screwed up.
It's okay.
Everyone freak out.
It's okay. It didn't get into my eyes. It didn't get into my eyes, Daddy. Alright. go. All
Ready?
right. Yeah. Oh, you like hair washing.
Let me go.
You like having your hair washed. You do. Oh, that's a look of total and utter contentment.
Head massage.
Just cooing away.
Head
Just
massage.
cooing away. Uh-huh. Alright, let's rinse it off. Let's rinse it off.
Make sure you get the back.
Look at me. She likes having her hair washed. Oh, yeah.
She must be our daughter if she enjoys head massages that much. Oh, it's on. Got you on.
You missed one before, Daddy.
Yeah.
All right. You think that's got it? You think that's got it? I think we got a little bit more on the other side. Just a little bit more. And then guess what?
Turn it off.
Put up and we're done. Yep. Put up and we're done. Uh-huh. That was our second bath. That was our second bath.
Starring Leona,
Who likes to spit up?
Abby,
Who likes to spit up?
and the cameraman.